Hello everyone, my name is Kuntian Zhou. This is my video presentation for my final project in course CIS 9467, Business Modeling with Spreadsheets. My topic is Marketing Expense Optimization. I'm going to talk about the background a little bit, and then go to model, and then ROI analysis. The last step will be sensitivity analysis. The scenario is based on my company, and I also simplify the background into 3 product type. Company X has 3 products A, B, and C. Existing customers could upgrade their services on these products to achieve better experiences. They would like to know how to allocate the marketing expense budget for Q1 to achieve maximum net profit and ROI. The company is promoting product A, B, and C in region East and West. The budget for Q1 is 300,000. Each product must meet certain threshold for the budget. In the model, customer base, upgrade rates, and profit per upgrade for each individual product are given. They also estimated how the upgrade rates increase per 50,000 investment. Let's go to the model tab. As I mentioned, the marketing expense is 300,000, and these are the threshold for each individual product has to meet. I'm calculating the threshold here by using the percentage multiplied by the total marketing expense budget. Product A is 40%, product B is 20%, product C is 40%. This is a monthly allocation of the marketing expense for product A, B, C in East and West region. These are the thresholds they have to meet. And this is the incremental upgrade rates for every 50,000 marketing expense. That means, for example, for product A, every 50,000 marketing expense investment could increase the upgrade rate by 0.1%. For product B is 0.25%, product C is 0.155. In here, I modeled how the net profits are generated by using this 2 tables for product A, B, C in East and West region. I break down the Q1 into January, February, and March. These orange sections are the values given. So, for example, for product A in January, customer base is 600,000, upgrade rate of 0.71%. That means if we don't put any marketing expense here, there will be 0.71 customers upgrade their services. The total upgrade here are using the customer base times the sum of these two rates, and then multiplied by the profit per upgrade here. We will have the total revenues here, and then minus the marketing expense here, we can have the total net profit 11,158. And then I calculate the total net profits for product A in Q1, and then product B, product C. This is the total net profits in East region in Q1. Same with the East region. This is the total net profits for the product in West. So, ending East and West together, we will have 948,000 net profits total. So in order to come up with this number and have this allocation here, I'm using the solver. I set up to the objective here into the total profit into the maximum by changing the value here. D11 to I13, and these are the constraints they have to meet. Like for each individual product type, they have to meet equal, their marketing expense have to equal to these numbers, and for the total, they has to be less than or equal to 300,000, and all of the number here has to greater and equal to 0. After I hit solve here, we will have the answer report. This is the total net profit we can have here, 948,899 in total. This two table shows how they generate the values for those variables by using these constraints. In this model tab, we only calculate the total profit. I also have the revenue by profit here. So in this chart, we can see that the product B generates most of the profit, and the product A in the East region, it generates more profit than the West region. Product C is almost even. In this ROI tab, I also calculated the ROI, the percentage of the investment. I inserted one more row here, incremental revenues. It is using the incremental rates times the customer base and then times the profit per upgrade to come up with incremental revenue. So we can have the total incremental revenue here and the ROI. ROI is using the total incremental revenue divided by the total marketing expense here. This is a table ROI by product. We can also see that the product B has the best performance, and product C, the West region, is better than the East region. I also set up a scenario analysis. In here, I set up 3 scenarios. What if we increase the budget or decrease the budget here? This is a baseline. For the increased budget, I set up to increase the budget by 20%. Decrease is also by 20%. This is a scenario summary here. We can see that if we increase the budget by 20%, we will have 90% of ROI and 211,000 incremental revenue, and the total net profit will be 924,000. This is what if we decrease by 20%. It's interesting to see here that even though we decrease the budget by 20%, we have a higher net profit here compared to the baseline, even though the ROI is a little bit lower. This is interesting to digger in the future to optimize the model. Last step is a sensitive analysis. This is about the upgrade rates in this table. What if we change the rates for product A, B, C? How the ROI and net profits will change? 0.1, 0.25 are the baseline rates for product A and B. This table shows that what if we change the rates for product A and if we change the rates for product B, we will have the higher ROI rates here. Same with this table, we will have higher product net profit for the model. Product C 0.15 is a baseline. We can also change that to 0.2, so we will have higher ROI and a higher net profit. If we lower the rates into 0.1, we will have lower ROI and net profit. This could show us what will be the risk if we change this risk here. So I think the what-if analysis is a very great tool to model business scenarios. Sensitive analysis using data table could help identify the risks by changing the values of input and picture what will happen if we change the input. Solver makes it easy to find a maximum or minimum solution for business problem. I definitely will use and recommend others to use this tool in the future. This is pretty much for my project. Thank you for watching.